How to cancel premium subscription on Roblox. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can actually cancel your premium subscription on Roblox, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So let's say that you have a premium account on Roblox and then you want to cancel the premium subscription. It is very simple to do so, because all you have to do is first of all just launch the Roblox game or the Roblox application here. Once you've launched the Roblox app, you're going to see this type of interface where you just need to tap the three dots icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three dots icon over here, if you look on the top, you'll find a section where it says premium, so you want to make sure to tap on it. Now if you don't have premium, then first of all it will ask and prompt you to subscribe to premium, but if you have premium, then you'll find a section called cancel premium right in this under the manage subscription button. Once you cancel your premium, it'll ask you for a couple of reasons as to why you're canceling it. You can follow the instructions accordingly and then it will successfully help you cancel your premium account on Roblox. And that's it for today's video on how you can cancel your premium subscription on Roblox. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.